All right, how about some sound in a SAAB 900? The client asked for a new radio and some high-performance audio. My plan was to keep everything as stealthy as possible, and he also really needed the trunk space. The radio is a simple hardwire with a custom plate for 2 USB charging ports. The tweeters went in the stock location. To keep the assembly simple and low profile, I designed the mid-bass drivers to mount from the inside of the kick panel. I put the amplifier DSP combo on the subfloor of the trunk. We later added a beacon for high-res Bluetooth. Onto the sub-enclosure. To save trunk space, I made the pattern to use the space underneath the convertible top. We wanted to keep the enclosure flush with the trunk opening.
Ha ha!